Every restaurant owner dreams of a smooth kitchen, but real time it's a chaos. One day the chef doesn't show up, next day staff is late, and every day the taste keeps changing. Sometimes too spicy, sometimes blandless. Customer notice and trust breaks. Because when your kitchen depends on a people, not process, problem never ends. This is called non-standardization, when every chef cooks in his own way. So different masala, different oil, different timings, taste changes like Mumbai weather, unpredictable, and when taste changes, customer trust goes down. The result, food waste, high cost, and business growth stops. Real growth starts only when taste stays the same every single day. At Rasoi Express, we cook food just like home without using preservatives or artificial color. Slow, simple, and full of flavors. The difference is how we preserve it. Right after cooking, the food is quickly frozen using advanced spiral freezing technology at minus 35 degrees centigrade for 1 hour, then stored at minus 18 degrees centigrade to stop any microbial activity. This process locks in all the nutrients, flavors, and textures so everything stays fresh and safe, just like it came straight from your kitchen. Every batch is made using the same ingredient in the same proportion, cooked at the same temperature and for all the time and for the same time. That's how we ensure taste and quality remains perfect every time. It's simple science that builds consistency you can trust. With standardization, training becomes simple. New staff can learn fast and deliver the same quality food. Cost stays under control. Kitchen stays calm. And taste stays consistent. Customers smile. Wow, same swad har baar. Rahul smiles too. Now business runs peacefully. This is not just a business, it is a peace of mind. Friends, running a restaurant is tough. Daily pressure, staff issues, and endless challenges. But with Rasoi Express Chef-less Kitchen, everything becomes simple, consistent taste, peaceful kitchen, better profit, time to move from chaos to clarity. Let's build a business that grows without stress. Join the Chef-less Kitchen revolution. Join Rasoi Express. Thank you very much. See you soon in my next video.